Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Hope y'all enjoy the video today, and as always, I hope you get some inspiration, and we really appreciate y'all for watching. Welcome back to part 2 of my flea market shopping experience. In part 1, I took y'all on a tour of the first half of the store, and today I'm going to take you through the rest of the store. And if you're interested in seeing that video, I'll have a link to it in my description box. But this is the treasure chest in Athens, Alabama, and in the first video I told you they have just about everything you can imagine. They have everything from elegant to primitive, they have rustic to contemporary. They have so many unique pieces. And many of you, after watching part 1, you commented saying you saw a lot of things that brought back sweet memories, and so did I going through the store. And the lovely part about this store is they get new items every day, so I can't wait to go back. So I hope y'all enjoy me taking you through the tour and just highlighting some of the great items that they have. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you everything that I couldn't leave without, and I got some really unique pieces and I can't wait to decorate with them. And the unique thing about this store is I think you could literally go in, shop, and decorate your whole house. They have something for everybody, and like I told y'all, they have all different styles of everything you're looking for, from furniture to jewelry to purses, just any kind of wall art, pillows. And y'all have seen in part 1 and now in part 2 of just all the many items that they have. And I know a lot of you do not live local and you can't visit the store, but if you're like me, I love watching videos of people that go in different stores in different areas and just see the different prices and the different things that all of the areas of around us has to offer. It's just a lot of fun to go out and you just kind of go thrifting with somebody else and just admire all the pieces. And like we've said, a lot of them will bring back some great memories of our childhood or just through the years, and we may actually have some of these items in our home that we collect. If you haven't joined my Facebook Home Decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Greene Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Okay, are y'all ready to see what I got? I think I got 12 things, and I think the total that I spent was $89.38. So I'm going to go through everything, each piece, and then tell you what I paid for it. And some of the things were half off, so I got them on sale. So the first thing I got was this old vintage coffee percolator, and I love these. And, you know, and a lot of the things that I picked up are things that I'm going to show y'all in future videos of how you can style them within your home. Just to make them, I don't know, these kind of things to me have such character, and I love them. So this piece is just, you know, it's empty on the inside, so I don't think you could actually ever make coffee in it. But I thought this would be so pretty styled with flowers or something. And I have one that was my grandmother's or great-grandmother's, and it's a white and red enamel one. And we keep it on our wood-burning stove during the winter time and put water in it to add moisture to the air. So I love these, and I definitely wanted to pick this up. Okay, the next item that I got was this Coach handbag. Y'all, this was $10, and it's in very good shape. And a lot of the purses that I have, I like Coach and some of the nicer brand type purses, but I never pay retail for them. I've either bought them from my friends when they got tired of them, or I've, you know, bought them from thrift stores or, you know, consignment store, and just usually have always gotten one that was well taken care of, that somebody was, you know, selling, maybe at a yard sale or something. So I have a Coach handbag now. My mother always gives me money for my birthday, so I bought one, and I've been carrying that purse for like 4 or 5 years. So when I get one that's nice quality, I'll carry it for a really long time. But y'all, this was $10. And you can see, you know, the inside, it was in really good shape, so I couldn't pass this up. Okay, the next item I got was this iron. And I love old irons, and I actually have another one that I picked up at a yard sale last fall, and I haven't put it out yet. And so this one will add to that. So this one is very heavy. I haven't researched it yet to see what year it is, but you can see, like, it's got, you know, the label on it and the number, but you can see how worn the handle is and the patina on the handle. I love that. And this was $8. This would be great to use as a bookend, use it in your kitchen, you know, with cookbooks, or maybe in the laundry room, just to set up and just, like I say, just add more character to your space. Okay, I know y'all probably remember seeing this. It had a glass plate on the top, so that gave me an idea. This was only $2, so I think this would be pretty if we transform it, give it a little love, and there's so many things that we can do with this metal pedestal. So y'all know I couldn't pass this up for $2. And of course, the popular glass jugs. And this was actually a wine jug. These right here make such great decor pieces. Of course, you know, you put your cotton stems in it, you can add your beads to it. And this one, I do not have a size like this. I like the size of this one because it's kind of a medium size, so I'll probably take the label off of it and, you know, and display it somewhere, probably put some fall flowers in it, and then at Christmas we'll redesign it and, you know, and make it more for the Christmas holidays. But I love the little glass jug. And this little jug, I think, was $2. This piece right here, y'all, I loved it. This is brand new with the tags on it, so this is not old or anything, but it was $4. So I definitely couldn't pass it up, because I thought for $4, this would make a great DIY project. You know, we can put decoupage, something on it. We could, you know, go more farmhouse or rustic with this. But, you know, we could even make a tray out of it or frame. There's so many uses that we could make out of this for $4. So I had to get this. The next item I got, and somebody in the comments guessed or said they liked this, and me too. I have a passion for vintage salt and pepper shakers. And it may be that my grandparents, they traveled around the world and went to so many places, and that was what they collected and brought back, was salt and pepper shakers. And they had them displayed throughout their home my whole childhood, and I can't even tell you how many they had, and they had them from everywhere. So I don't know if that's why I'm drawn to them or not, but I love them. So I love these. I've never seen any like this. They have the very slender, like little salt and pepper shakers, and I think it's got like little pepper meals in it. So any peppercorns. So anyway, I'll probably take those out, clean those up. But aren't those just cute? I don't know if this is going to be silver or if it's pewter, and it's got some writing on the bottom. It says 1998, but I can't read what the name of it is. So these, I don't know. They're probably not vintage, but I just love these. So anyway, I had to get these, and these I think were $4. Okay, I had to pick up this basket, and as you can see, it's got the green trim in it, and I think this would be so pretty. I was picturing something pretty in it for Christmas. And this is not a Longaberger, but this is the Peterborough, and they range up in the price just like Longaberger baskets did. So this has got the nice little braided leather handle on it. It's very nice made. And I don't know if they signed theirs. I don't see a signature on the bottom like the Longaberger baskets, but I've had several of these in the past, but I love these baskets. So I had to pick this up, and I think this was $8. This little item I picked up, and it was funny because I had just saw something on Pinterest that was made out of this, and I thought, oh, the next time I run across a Prince Albert can, I'm going to pick it up, because I've had some in the past, but I've gotten rid of them. And anyway, there it was at the treasure chest. I told y'all can find anything there. You can. So anyway, I picked this up. There's a little DIY decor piece I'm going to make out of this. So I'll do a video on it. But the little Prince Albert can, if you have these or if you can pick them up, get these, because these are going to make a cute little decor piece. And I paid, this was $8. And it was, or $7, and it was in the booth that was half off, so I think I ended up paying $3.50 for this. And it's in good condition too. It's got, you know, the patina on it, but it's in good condition. It's got a little of a bend right there, but that's okay. Okay, y'all saw this in the video. I mean, you cannot go wrong buying a riser or a pedestal, because I use these for so many things. And this was $4. I don't know if it's wood or what it's made out of, but it's got the little feet on it. But this will be a great piece that we can transform, put some paint on it, and do so many things with this. So I was excited to find it for $4. Okay, y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but anyway, I found a garden rake, and I was so excited. I purchased a garden rake, just this part, a while back at a yard sale, and had it outside in our storage. And of course, Ben was cleaning out one day, and he was like, "You ever gonna do anything with this?" And I was like, "You can throw it away." But ever since that day he threw it away, I knew not to throw that away. So I've got some decor inspiration in mind for this. Stay tuned. There's so many things you can do with this part right here. So this is why I got this, and this is $8. And ever since he threw that one away, I've been looking for one that was already used. Of course, we have one, but we use it, so it's functional. So anyway, this was at the treasure chest, y'all, so I finally got my garden rake back, and I can't wait to decorate with this. All right, y'all, the last item. And actually, I got 3 of these. They're all the same. So I'm just going to show you one. But remember the big window that I got in my first haul at the treasure chest? That I may put up over my sofa. Well, I went back because the same vendor had 3 more of the smaller ones. So I told Belinda I wanted all 3 of them. So I went back and I got all 3 of the window panes, y'all. This is a little bit smaller. It's still pretty good size. But I went on and got 3 of them because they were $8 each. And I thought that was just a great price. And my daughter is decorating her home. So she's been wanting one. So after I got home that day, I was like, well, I should have got all 3 of those. So I'm going to give my daughter a couple of these, and then I'm going to keep one more, and I'm going to do something else with this one. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing everything I got. And like I say, in upcoming videos, I'll be decorating these pieces and putting them inside my home. So I hope y'all stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and thanks so much for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video.